Okay. Hi Arjun,
Good evening, sir.
congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great rank.
Thank you so
Amazing
much. Thank you.
UPSC rank 1. मुझे उम्मीद है कि I'm sure that you must be glad, proud. I mean, मुझे
Yes,
हमें तो
sir.
मतलब at DVMCI we are all proud of you getting
Thank you
just
so much, sir.
faculty group में बताया that you have got rank 1. I think you have been in touch with everybody. एंड हर बंदे ने मुझे शायद तुम्हारी पर्सनल स्टोरी बताई कि यस इस लड़के ने रैंक यहाँ तो लानी है, नीट के अंदर भी सिंगल डिजिट रैंक लेके आनी है. सो अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड इससे पहले दैट वी स्टार्ट
Thank
फर्दर,
you so much, sir.
तुम्हारी एक जो सबसे आई थिंक स्पेशल कमबैक स्टोरी हो सकती है, एंड इट इज लाइक एन इंस्पिरेशन टू एवरीबडी. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड द सुपर 30 प्रोग्राम, सो यू आर नॉट इन द फर्स्ट लिस्ट. सो अमित भाई एक्चुअली मैसेज्ड मी अप दैट इन्हें अंदर लो, इसको अंदर लो, ये लड़का रैंक लाएगा, सिंगल डिजिट रैंक लाएगा. एंड
Thank you.
एक्चुअली हिज vision, his trust in you has shown the efforts, has shown the results, and now you are in the rank 1 in the UPSC segment. So again congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
तो कैसा लग रहा है?
सर अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत, थोड़ा बट हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. ग्राउंडेड रहेंगे, बट अभी ग्राउंडेड ही है. और
डॉक्टर
बस.
रजत ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही अभी अभी तुम्हें, दैट कुछ भी हो जाए भी मेन जो टारगेट है तुम्हारा वो नीट ही रहेगा. सो
यस
प्लीज
सर.
डू नॉट गेट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, डू नॉट गेट ओवर योर हेड. ये तो बस एक वही है जो सर ने अभी बिल्कुल ठीक ठीक बात कही, दैट दिस इज जस्ट वन स्पीड ब्रेकर विच यू हैव क्रॉस्ड वेरी वेरी इन अ क्रूशियल वे, इन अ वेरी वर्ड मुझे इंग्लिश का वो याद नहीं आ रहा, बट आई थिंक तुमने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से उसको पार करा है. एंड आई थिंक डॉक्टर रजत विल बी द बेस्ट पर्सन टू एक्चुअली गाइड यू फर्दर फ्रॉम नाउ.
Yes, sir. Definitely, he's always the best in guiding. So he's always the best.
Congratulations, Arjun, and
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
a
much.
big congratulations on your rank. But
Thank you,
as
sir.
we already discussed, when we give these exams, CMS and all exams, they just tell us that whether we are going on a right direction or not.
Yes, sir.
We always say to the student that always remember that why you started. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have not started for this particular exam. So just make sure that with which for which exam that you have started. So just take care of that. But before that, since you have got this rank, this tells us that you are going in a right direction. So in this interview, we're going to talk a little bit about specifically silly, because these interviews are predominantly done to guide the students who are preparing
Yes,
for the exam. So broadly, that do not go or come into this fear of missing out, and just stay focused on the resources that you are using. And if you are using your resources, I am sure that you will be able to get the top of the ranks that you are looking for.
Definitely.
The second interesting point, as Dr. Nachiket has rightly mentioned, that you were in touch with almost all the faculties at DBMCI. And a lot of time I have come across this, that a lot of students ask me this, कि सर टॉपर्स तो कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं, ये तो उनको तो सब कुछ आता होता है, तो अगर हम पूछ रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब कि हमें नहीं आता एंड ऑल. तो दिस इज अ मिथ दैट इज देयर. आई थिंक एवरीबडी नीड गाइडेंस. So the students who are listening to this particular interview, the students who are associated with DBMCI, we all are available to everybody.
Yes,
whether
sir.
you are performing pretty well in the exam or whether you are not so well performing in the exam, we are available to all of you to answer to your all kind of queries, as Arjun is the perfectly right example for that. But yes, very very important point is that trust on your resources, what Arjun has did. Arjun, can you just briefly tell about your association with DBMCI and how you channelized it?
Sir, I joined DBMCA Foundation Group, Foundation course, and I started with all the final year subjects, third year subjects, and second year subjects. And then first year subjects also I did in first year, third year only. And I've been a constant student since then, and I attended all the live classes. Some I couldn't attend live, so I had to look at the videos later on during my internship. Otherwise, one thing I've always made sure that if I don't understand anything, I always try to clear it. The same thing that you said, I always asked a lot of doubts in the class also, be it Jay sir or be it you sir, Rajat sir, or any faculty, whichever came to the live class, I always kept it in my mind to always clear my doubts, whichever I could have. So I think that was a good thing for me, because a doubt in my head will stay. It will always make me doubt the same thing again and again. So there's no point in keeping that. I always make sure to clear that thing.
Arjun, you will be a very, very good motivator for the students who are preparing at this point of time. Tell me how you are handling your studies now.
So it's
I know you just called me half an hour back and asked me the same question, but I want you to answer this now.
Currently, sir, I don't want to lose my focus with respect to anything, no matter how big it is. That's my prime focus, that not to lose focus, and to maintain my speed, if not increase it, but at least maintain it. Because always what I've learned in the past 1 year, it's been a long year, obviously it's been a long year. What I've learned is it's always the chronic knowledge that helps. We are just brushing up right now. I'm just brushing up right now. I'm trying my best to brush up right now, but it's always the chronic knowledge that helps. And it's never late to start that.
Arjun, I have a question for you. See, you attended the live classes of DBMCI also, and you have seen the eGurukul videos also.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, which one do you find better and why?
Sir, there is I don't think there can be a doubt over it, but I definitely find live classes way better. It's way more interesting, way more interactive. And the best part about it is that I can complete a subject in a span of 4 days. A big subject, surgery, we completed in 5 to 6 days. If I watch the videos, be it any length or be it, I cannot complete them in 5 days. I cannot do that. I will take at least 15 days or let's say 20 days, because we at home we are watching the videos, or at anywhere we are watching the videos, we tend to get complacent. वो discipline नहीं आ सकता videos देख के जो live class का होता है.
So basically videos are predominantly a backup, like as you said कि कहीं miss हो गया कुछ, कहीं पढ़ना है तो उसको हमने, अगर if given an option, then it is always advisable to go with the live class.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Amit, what is your viewpoint that the Jaipur students are doing so well nowadays? Last year we got tremendous ranks in Jaipur, and I'm sure in the NEET exam this year also we're gonna get great ranks. So how does it feel to train these students? And there was a time when we were hardly getting any ranks. In general, we were not in NEET. We were not getting too many ranks from the Jaipur. So how does it feel?
It really feel great. और रैंक आने का सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट ये भी है कि they all are very disciplined also. In fact, I remember कि अगर हमारी क्लास सुबह लाइव क्लास 10 बजे स्टार्ट हो रही है तो ये स्टूडेंट सुबह 8 बजे आके या 8:30 आके अपनी सीट बुक कर लेते थे कि हम आगे बैठेंगे. सो अ डिसिप्लिन स्टडी, एंड आई रिमेम्बर इनका जो ग्रुप है पूरा, उसकी ड्यूटी लगी होती थी कि आपको सुबह जाना, और पहले वाली ब्रोज जो है वो है ना अर्जुन, आई रिमेम्बर.
ये बिल्कुल सही है. हम लोग का एक, जैसे हमारा जो क्लासेस लगती थी, हमारा एक एरिया बिल्कुल हमारा था. हम लोग सब साथ ही आते हैं, सारे दोस्त मेरे, हम लोग सब साथ ही रहते हैं, लाइब्रेरी में साथ पढ़ते हैं.
तो मेरे को ये याद आ रहा है क्लासरूम से ना, मैं 100% तो नहीं कह सकता, बट आई थिंक आई कैन रिकॉल हिज फेस फ्रॉम द क्लास एट सुबोध.
यस सर. तो उसमें हमारा एक कॉर्नर सा, मतलब आगे का जो कॉर्नर है वो फिक्स रहता था. तो हर किसी की ड्यूटी होती थी एक दिन की, ये इसको जाके ये आज ये रोकेगा, कल ये रोकेगा, फिर थर्ड डे ये रोकेगा. बट वी मेड श्योर कि कोई ना कोई वहाँ हो उस टाइम पे, एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू सिट इन द फ्रंट. एंड यस,
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इसकी डिसिप्लिन स्टडी बहुत करी है इन्होंने. कोई क्लासेस मिस नहीं करी, टेस्ट प्रॉपर दिए हैं, कोई टेस्ट मिस नहीं करते थे. सो दैट ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो आपकी सक्सेस में काउंट करती हैं. इन दी एंड अगर आप सिंपल सिर्फ आप क्लास में आ रहे हो लेकिन आप टेस्ट नहीं दे रहे, आप टीचर्स के कनेक्ट में नहीं हो, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स मैटर्स अ लॉट. और वो आई थिंक वो जयपुर के बच्चों ने वो चीज डेडिकेशन रखी हुई है. That's why result is coming.
Yeah, I mean a proper guidance, a disciplined environment, and the studies, like the strength of the DBMCI, what I believe in is to teach what is needed for the exam, the right amount of the content at the right time. And I think and this, if it is like supported by the disciplined student, and I'm sure that the student will be in top 10 without a doubt. So without taking much of your time, Arjun, I want you to go back to studies and don't be complacent at this point of time. Make sure that you are working really hard, and we'll talk to you in great detail. There are a lot more exams which are coming. So, and I want a great result from you.
Before we actually end, I'm actually just enjoying the whole feeling when Amit Bhai can tell that way he was sitting, how he has been throughout the year and everything. And as a person who has moved from, I think, who has seen both face to face as well as e-Gurukul, which is basically a embodied thing, this particular feeling is actually missed while we are doing the e-Gurukul thing. That when you know the student in and out, and not just through a message. Because see, if I talk to you, Arjun, I am a person who I think मैं पूरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स में सबसे ज्यादा तुमसे बात करी है. तो जैसे मुझे अमित भाई ने अभी ठीक है, तभी मैं देखा.
So that is commendable how you reply to everything, every query, everything I can ask you to. You always reply and always the best of spirits and try your best. I know you always try your best to give us the best. That is the biggest thing that we all appreciate a lot. We talk about this a lot and we all appreciate this a lot.
No, thank you so much. But I'm just doing my job. These people are the people who are actually doing the work.
Actually, this is the day for which we all wait. When we feel that the work that we have done, because see, we are doing hard work, the students are doing hard work, but at the end, getting students what they want in the life is also our primary aim. And when these things happen, we feel that we are also in the right direction. So it's not you are in the right direction, we also realize, and we are sure that the way that the exam patterns are changing, the way the exams are going, the students who are associated with DBMCI will have a definitely advantage. But obviously, the student has to be disciplined as you were there. And I'm sure that the lot more great results are waiting for you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, a big congratulations on your amazing task.
A single-digit rank from you in the NEET PG. Okay, so pass on my congratulations.
That's a lot of pressure, sir.
Well. अब बस ये प्रेशर ही समझो, कोहली हो तो सेंचुरी तो मारनी है. So congratulations again, and
thank you so much. Thank you. Yes.
One more thing, I want to add. Arjun is like our family. Her sister is our student, and her sister was also our student. 3 years back, she got selected. She got selected and got PG in surgery. She just completed surgery, Dr. Naina.
So she's doing MCH onco surgery now.
Oh wow.
SMS Jaipur.
Okay, great. So family genes hai. Nice.
Great, Arjun. I had a great time talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
अभी तक आपके हमारे साथ, और मैं उम्मीद करूंगा ये नीट तक हमारा कंटिन्यू रहने वाला है. उसके बाद भी हम आपके साथ हैं. मगर अभी नीट में मुझे आपका सिंगल डिजिट रैंक चाहिए, हमको आपसे सिंगल डिजिट रैंक चाहिए. और जितनी फैकल्टीज का भरोसा आप पे है, अमित भाई का भरोसा आप पे है,
make sure that you are doing final sprint questions. They will be very useful in your preparation. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.